Good morning and welcome to the Preschool News. In our community spotlight today, budding green thumb is taking roots at Artemis Preschool at Uli. On 22nd April, in celebration of Earth Day, our school hosted a successful hydroponics workshop, engaging all children and parents in the wonders of soilless farming. With mini hydroponics kit in hand, the young learners got to plant their own leafy greens, which they will nurture in class over the coming weeks. The workshop aimed not just to educate, but to instill a sense of environmental responsibility from a young age.
Look at this cool-looking ball. It's the nursery. It's where baby plants are born.
It was a day full of learning, laughter, and leafy greens at Artemis Preschool at Uli. The Hydroponics Workshop introduced children to sustainable farming practices, showing them how plants can grow without soil, just water, nutrients, and a bit of sunlight.
One way to know its worth when we celebrate the world.
The event wrapped up with delightful performances by the children, centered around the theme, Let It Grow and healthy food.
Celebrate the world, come on and celebrate the world. Celebrate the world. All you gotta do is live your life, be true. Live your life, be true, and never be afraid. Never be afraid to grow. It don't matter how you got it. It's yours now, don't you hide it. Let it grow. Let it grow.
5 food groups, that's what I eat. 5 food groups every day and every week. Keeping me strong and healthy every day.
What an inspiring way to celebrate this day! Hats off to the team at Artemis Preschool at Woodley for sowing the seeds of sustainability, one little sprout at a time.